I would like to continue by giving you a quick overview of the project panel. Depending on which file I click on, please notice that there is a little thumbnail view of the first frame of that particular clip. There is also information on that clip. This particular one happens to be 1280 by 720 square pixels. Its duration is 12 seconds, 12 frames, and it's going at a frame rate of 24 frames per second. Depending on which clip I click on, this information here will change. There's also more information in here. For example, if I expand one of the mountain layers folder, not only will it give me the information on that particular layer, but it's also going to tell me that it's been used one time. And if I click on this little triangle here, it's going to tell me where it's been used. If I select that, it's going to take me right to that layer in the timeline. This is a huge time saver for when you need to know where a particular file has been used. Go ahead and collapse this folder again. There are different icons here at the bottom. The first one is for interpreting footage. We spoke about square, non-square pixels, frame rate, etc., etc. If you need to change how After Effects interpreted a particular footage, this would be a good place to click. The second icon creates a new folder. It is a good idea to separate things in folders. You see, After Effects really doesn't care if you separate things in folders or not, but you might. It is my recommendation that you keep your files very well organized because it will save you time. The third icon here is the Create a New Composition icon. If you click here, the New Composition Settings dialog box will open up. More on that later. Let me just go ahead and click Cancel. This is also telling me that this particular project is 8 bits per channel. And of course, the trash can. If I select a file and then click here, whatever file happens to be selected will be deleted. There are also columns that exist in this particular project panel. The project panel also contains columns. Let me go ahead and expand this so that's a little bit larger. The first column gives you, of course, the name of the file. The second column gives you a label, which is a little color swatch that you can use to quickly identify what kind of file this is. The third column gives you the type of file, next to it the size, duration, any kind of comment that you may want to type in here. The file path. This is where the file is on your hard drive. There are other options in the project panel. If you go to the panel menu, if you click here, you can choose to see more columns. In this case, the date. You can also choose to see the actual project settings, and you can choose to see a thumbnail transparency grid. Also, please notice that I can dynamically change the position and the size of these panels by just clicking and dragging. Please notice that the mouse changes shape when you position it in between two separate panels. If you would like to save a workspace, or if you would like to switch to a different workspace, all you need to do is go to this drop-down menu and choose one of these different workspaces, or save your own by selecting New Workspace. If you want to reset the workspace that you're working on, all you need to do is choose Reset whatever workspace, and it's going to go back to what it was originally.